Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to adjust exposure in Adobe Lightroom. It's really quick and simple, and the process is really straightforward. So let's jump right in. First, open your Adobe Lightroom app. Here, tap on All Photos, and Adobe Lightroom will take you to its library, where you can upload and edit any photo that you'd like. Now tap on the photo you'd like to edit, and on the bottom menu, you will see many options. At the far right, you will see an option called Light. Tap on that, and here at the very top, you will see Exposure, and you can simply increase or decrease the exposure to your liking. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.